market, expiry related or whatever, but it's a big recovery. The Nifty bang, the Nifty's recovery is more than 300 points from the low point of the day. That's telling you the kind of recovery that we've had. Let's get a Nimesh. He'll have some idea. Nimesh, we were mentioning earlier that bulk of the short covering has taken place. Does this look like there is some big FI buying, or at least the FI flows could have turned positive, Nimesh?
So there is FI buying. So in fact, it is part of my list as well that there is a small market at close basket buying as well at a leading FI desk. Maybe that explains the last 30 minutes of move in the large cap stocks today. And overall as well, the FI seems to be net buyers in today's market. So that's overall feedback. As you rightly pointed out, a very sharp recovery from the intraday lows. And a lot of large cap names, including financials, are contributing to the bulls to have such a sharp rally. As I said, the FIs are net buyers in today's market. In fact, interestingly, I understand there is there is a basket buying in the pharma stocks at leading FI desk. So entire pharma basket has been bought by some larger FIs today. So that's the additional feedback as far as flows are concerned. Looks like because of the weekly expiries, well, you've seen a bit of volatility in today's market. But even if you look at the broader markets, there's been a very sharp recovery, and a lot of the broader market have seen a bit of recovery in the select PSU names as well. And that's where some bit of interest seems to be back, right? While the OMC stocks are still under pressure, some bit of metal names and some bit of other PSU stocks have seen some bit of recovery as well on back of buying interest. But broadly, the FIs are positive. And of course, there is a basket buying in pharma names as well, is the general sense that I'm getting from a flow point of view.
Okay, interesting. What about stocks? What are the ones that have cropped in your can today?
Well, Rima, so in terms of individual names, the first stock in my list is Marico. That's been consolidating a very narrow range. But interestingly, for the last couple of days, there is a lot of delivery-based buying happening in this particular stock. That's the case with today as well. So looks like something is round the corner in Marico. So purely from a flow perspective, this is one stock to watch out for. The second name is ONCOR. Within the PSU names, this is one stock which is well bid by the larger FI. So again, expect high delivery volumes in ONCOR, and looks like some bit of institutional interest is back in this particular name. The third name is Thermax. While everybody is talking about Cummins and ABB doing very good in trade today, but Thermax is one stock which is there is a lot of bid interest from larger institutions in Thermax. So that stands out for me. And the last is ICICI Lombard. We've been seeing this trend of lot of large blocks happening throughout this week, and now I'm expecting a large block in ICICI Lombard as well. So the stock has been in a range, but expect a large block in ICICI Lombard very soon.
Okay, got that. Thank you, Nimesh, very much for that. Indeed, what a move in the market.